Welcome to this tutorial on calculating percentiles in NumPy arrays using the np.percentile function. Percentiles are essential statistical measures that help us understand the distribution of data and identify specific positions within a dataset. A percentile represents a value below which a given percentage of observations in a dataset fall. It effectively splits your data into parts based on a specified percentage. For example, the 90th percentile marks the value below which 90% of the data lies. This is particularly useful for understanding data distribution and identifying outliers. The basic syntax of the np.percentile function is straightforward. It takes two main arguments, the array containing your data and the percentile value you want to calculate. The percentile value is typically a number between 0 and 100. Let's look at a simple example. We import NumPy as np, then create an array with values 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. We calculate the 50th percentile, which is the median, by calling np.percentile with our data array and 50. The result is 30.0, which is the middle value of our dataset. You can calculate multiple percentiles at once by passing a list of percentile values. In this example, we calculate the 25th, 50th, and 75th percentiles simultaneously. The function returns an array containing all three results, 20, 30, and 40. This is extremely useful when you need quartile information. When working with multi-dimensional arrays, you can specify an axis parameter to calculate percentiles along a particular dimension. Here we have a two-dimensional array with 2 rows and 3 columns. By setting axis equals 0, we calculate the 50th percentile along the columns, resulting in 25, 35, and 45. The method parameter allows you to control how percentiles are calculated when the desired percentile falls between data points. The default is linear interpolation, which calculates a weighted average. Alternatively, you can use nearest to simply pick the closest value. Different methods can give slightly different results depending on your data. To summarize, np.percentile returns the value at a specified percentile position in your data. It supports calculating single or multiple percentiles at once. You can work with multi-dimensional arrays using the axis parameter, and you can customize the calculation method using different interpolation techniques. Practice using this function to better understand your data distributions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.